So let us solve the 14th question of exercises from the lesson electricity. The question goes like this. Compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. First one, a 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohms resistors. And second one, a 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Let us solve the first one. Voltage of the battery is 6 ohms. Okay, first resistance is given as 1 ohm and second is 2 ohms. Now both resistors are in series, so the total resistance in the circuit R is equal to R1 plus R2. So R is equal to 1 ohm plus 2 ohm, that is 3 ohms. So current in the circuit is I is equal to V by R by Ohm's law. So voltage is 6 volts and the resistance of the circuit is 3 ohms. So 6 by 3 is 2 amperes. So power used by the 2 ohm resistor is equal to, power formula is I square R. So current is 2 amperes, so 2 square. Resistance is 2 ohms. So 2 square is 4, 4 into 2, 4 into 2 is 8. So it is 8 watts. Now second part, voltage of the battery is 4 volts. First resistor is 12 ohms, second is 2 ohms. They are in parallel. So let us not calculate the equivalent resistance or total resistance. So what we will do is, we will see what is the current drawn by 2 ohm resistance. Because in parallel connection, the current drawn by different resistors will be different. Currents will be different, but potential difference will be same. So current drawn by 2 ohm resistors is V by R. V is 4 volts and 2 ohm resistors R is 2. 4 by 2 is 2 amperes. So power drawn by 2 ohm resistor is again P is equal to I square R. I current is 2, so 2 square. R resistor is 2 ohms. So 4 into 2 is again 8 watts. So both draw. In both the cases, the power drawn by the 2 ohm resistor is equal. That is equal to 8 watts. Okay. So from tomorrow onwards, let us start with the next lesson, that is magnetic effect of electric current. And next Monday, let us have a test on electricity. Okay. Be prepared. Keep preparing. Keep learning all the notes. Practice the different sons. Okay. Bye.